बढ़िया।
So today we will study this chapter, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. So this is the second chapter of the book First Flight. Have all of you purchased your books? Book kharida?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Even if you have not purchased, it's all right. I will send the PDF in the class group. Today I will PDF of this chapter I will send in the class group. So this is the second chapter of the book First Flight. So screen is visible to you? All of you can see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, voice is clear? Voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So this is the second chapter from the book The First Flight, Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. So Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. Full name. Okay. So have you heard of the word apartheid? This word, have you heard it?
Yes, ma'am.
What does it mean? You can say. क्या है? What is the meaning of apartheid? Hey, mute. ये कौन? Avnit Pratap. Okay. So have you heard of the word apartheid? Who will tell? What
Yes,
is?
ma'am.
Bolo, what is apartheid?
Ma'am, on the basis of color
I'm
difference.
separating people from different races.
Black and white people.
White.
Rang
Separating
bhed.
people on the basis of color and races.
Or discriminating people on the basis of their race. Discriminating people on the basis of their race. So in South Africa, this system existed for a long time. Racial discrimination. There was a lot of discrimination between the blacks and the whites in South Africa. And the black people, they were not even given the basic rights. The blacks were denied even the basic rights. And the blacks fought for a long period of time, and later on new democratic non-racial government was established in South Africa. So this chapter is an extract from the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. So this is some portion from Nelson Mandela's autobiography. Okay, Long Walk to Freedom. So freedom from what? Freedom from apartheid. How Nelson Mandela was successful in putting an end to this racial discrimination. So Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. So the whites, when Mandela started protesting, opposing the policies of the white people, so white people considered themselves superior because they are white skinned they considered themselves superior, and the blacks, they were considered inferior to the whites. And the so many restrictions were imposed. So many restrictions were imposed on the blacks by the whites. uh, whites black लोगों को सभी रेस्टोरेंट जाने का परमिशन नहीं था, ब्लैक लोग जो है वो सब किताब नहीं पढ़ सकते थे. So even the basic rights were not given to the black people. Finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994, and Mandela became the first black president. So, Mandela was the first black president of a new nation. सालों से साउथ अफ्रीका में क्या था, सिर्फ whites ही politicians बनते थे. So, what was the scene there? Only the whites held important positions. All the important positions, they were held only by the white peoples. For the first time, elections were held, and a black became a president, a black South African. So in this extract from his autobiography. So this is an extract from his autobiography. So you know what is the meaning of autobiography? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankit? Ankit Raj?
Written by self.
Yes.
अपने से लिखा हुआ.
अपने से लिखा
A
हुआ.
book which is written by himself.
Book which is written by himself. No. The story of one's own life written by oneself. So that is autobiography. The story of one's life written by oneself. So from his autobiography, in this extract from his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, Mandela speaks about a historic occasion. What is this historic occasion? The inauguration. The inauguration of the first uh, democratic non-racial government. So what happens in 1994 after the elections? First time democratic non-racial government is established in South Africa. So what is the...
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. So what is the special occasion? Special occasion is the inauguration of the democratic non-racial government. So Mandela becomes South Africa's first black president. Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of white rule. Just imagine, 300 सालों तक white लोगों ने रूल किया था साउथ अफ्रीका पर. 300 साल बाद जो है ये चेंज आया. And Mr. Mandela was the leader of which party? He was the leader of African National Congress.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the speciality
National
of
Congress.
Nelson Mandela? He became the first black president of South Africa. He was the leader of the African National Congress, ANC party, won 252 out of 400 seats. So democratic government was established, and Nelson Mandela was chosen by the people. He got 252 out of 400 seats in the first democratic elections of South Africa's history. उसके पहले जो है सारे whites ही हमेशा बनते थे. पहली बार जो है वो democratic elections हुआ. The inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Building Amphitheater. Amphitheater is an open ground with chairs on it. Open stadium with chairs in rows. Amphitheater in Pretoria, it's name of the place, attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries around the world. और ये साउथ अफ्रीका का एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट था, that racial discrimination ended. So it was a great achievement of South Africa. And leaders from how many countries came in the inauguration ceremony? 140 countries. Leaders from 140 countries came to attend this inauguration ceremony. Dignitaries. Dignitaries means what? What is the meaning of dignitaries? High ranking officials, aristocratic people, people of the higher ranks, high ranking officials, all the leaders, presidents, vice presidents, they are the prime ministers, they are the dignitaries, high ranking officials. Never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another. तो मंडेला ने अपने स्पीच में क्या कहा कि अपार्थाइड का सिस्टम जो है वो वापस अब नहीं आने वाला है. So oppression of one by the another has ended. Jubilant scenes on the streets of Pretoria followed the ceremony with blacks, whites, and colored celebrating together. More than 1 lakh South African men, children, all races sang and danced with joy. So everybody celebrated this end of racial discrimination. Everybody celebrated the end of the apartheid, which was prevalent in Africa for how many centuries? Tell me. Apartheid was prevalent in Africa. Yes, very good. 3 centuries, 300 years. So 300 years of racial discrimination ended, and Nelson Mandela became the first black president. So you have to uh, match the phrases with their meanings. A rainbow gathering of different colors.
A beautiful coming together of various people, like the colors in a rainbow.
Yes, rainbow gathering of different colors means a beautiful coming together of various people like colors in a rainbow. The seat of white supremacy. Seat of white supremacy matlab
The center
superior.
of
Yeah, yes, very good.
the
Center of,
center of racial superiority.
yes, center of racial superiority. Seat of white supremacy means center of racial superiority. Be overwhelmed with a sense of history. So
Feel deeply emotional.
feel
Feel
deeply emotional, remembering and understanding all the past events that have led up to the moment. So resilience that defies the imagination.
a great ability to remain unchanged by suffering. First, ma'am,
Yes.
a great ability and to
Resilient
remain
means
that
what? Who can tolerate lot of suffering.
suffering.
Resilience means a person who can tolerate lot of suffering. Great ability to remain unchanged by suffering, not losing hope and goodness. So resilience means the ability to remain unchanged by suffering. Glimmer of humanity.
A sign of human feeling kindness, pity,
Yes, a sign of human feeling, goodness, kindness, pity, justice. A twilight existence.
half secret life, like a life lived in a fading light between sunset and darkness.
This twilight. Twilight is the time between sunset and darkness. So this is number 6. Okay. So now we'll begin the chapter. So 10th May dawned bright and clear. So why is 10th May important? Because uh, the first democratic non-racial government was came to force on this day. 10th May is important because on this day only the first democratic non-racial government was inaugurated. This day, Nelson Mandela took the pledge. He took over as the president. So this day is important because it marked the end of racial discrimination. 10th May is important because it marked the end of racial discrimination in South Africa after about 3 centuries, 300 years, dawned bright and clear. For the past few days, I had been pleasantly besieged. So, besieged means surrounded closely by dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respects before the inauguration. तो पूरी दुनिया से जो है लीडर्स साउथ अफ्रीका आ रहे थे. For what? The leaders came to South Africa to congratulate Nelson Mandela for his achievement. It was a very big achievement. So you can just imagine he spent 30 years in prison. So it was a great achievement for Nelson Mandela that he put an end to this evil system of racial discrimination. So people from all the world leaders, the presidents, dignitaries means all the high ranking people, presidents, prime ministers, vice presidents. So they were coming to South Africa to congratulate Nelson Mandela, to pay their respects. The inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders. तो पहली बार साउथ अफ्रीका में जो है इतने सारे इंटरनेशनल लीडर्स आए थे. It would be the largest gathering. The ceremonies took place, and where did this ceremony took place? This ceremony took place in the amphitheater, a building without a roof with many rows of seats. जो स्टेडियम वगैरह होते हैं ना, वही, that is the amphitheater, sports stadium. There are rows of seats and without a roof. So the ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater, a building without a roof with many rows of seats rising in steps. So ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union buildings in Pretoria. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy. For many years, this had been the seat of white supremacy. बहुत सालों से जो है सिर्फ white लोग important posts hold कर रहे थे. So it was a seat of white supremacy, and now it was the site of rainbow gathering. So people wearing different colored clothes had gathered at one place. Rainbow gathering means what? People wearing different colored clothes gathered at one place, and nations for the installation of South Africa's first. So what was the occasion? It was the installation of South Africa non-racial government. So what is the occasion? Occasion is the beginning of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government, because Nelson Mandela was elected by the people. On that lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Zenani. So what is the name of Nelson Mandela's daughter? Zenani.
Janani.
On the podium.
Jena.
Podium. Yes, Zenani. Podium means raised platform or stage. So what is the meaning of podium? Raised platform or stage. So on that lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Zenani. On the stage, Mr. D. Clark was first sworn in as the second deputy president. So first, the second deputy president took the oath. कोई भी लीडर इलेक्ट होता तो सबसे पहले अपना काम शुरू करने से पहले उसको ओथ लेना होता है, प्लेज, that he will work for the welfare of the people. So they are also all the newly elected leaders, one by one they are taking the pledge. So this is Nelson Mandela. Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as the first deputy president. So Thabo Mbeki was the first deputy president. Then it was Nelson Mandela's turn. When it was my turn, I pledged to obey and uphold the constitution. Whenever the leaders take the pledge, what do they pledge? That they will work according to the guidelines of the constitution. कोई भी लीडर जब ओथ लेते हैं तो वो क्या कहते हैं कि they will work according to the guidelines given in the constitution and devote myself. And leaders also take the pledge that they will work for the welfare of the people. uh, Devote myself to the well-being of the republic and its people. To the assembled guests and the watching world, I said. So, when it was Nelson Mandela's turn to take the oath, what did he say in his speech? यहाँ से नेल्सन मंडेला का स्पीच स्टार्ट हुआ है. This is his speech. This is the speech that he gave on the inauguration ceremony of the democratic government. Today, all of us do by our presence here confer. Confer means give. Confer is a formal word. बोलचाल की भाषा में हम give कहते हैं, लेकिन written language में give को confer भी कहते हैं. Confer glory and hope to the newborn liberty. So this is newborn liberty. अभी नया नया शुरुआत ही हुआ है democratic government का. Liberty means freedom. Out of the experience of the extraordinary human disaster. So what is the human disaster that Nelson Mandela refers? What is the human disaster? Out of the experience. Disaster means racial discrimination. ये जो नया गवर्नमेंट की शुरुआत हुई वो किस चीज के को एंड करके हुआ? It began by the ending of the human disaster of the apartheid. So human disaster refers to the end of the racial discrimination or the apartheid that lasted too long. Be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. So now he says that now a new society has been born and everyone will be proud of this new society. Why हर किसी को क्यों गर्व होगा इस नए समाज पे? क्योंकि इस नए समाज में कोई भेदभाव नहीं है, जो कि सालों से साउथ अफ्रीका में था. वाइट ब्लैक लोगों को जो है बेसिक फ्रीडम, बेसिक राइट्स भी नहीं दिया गया था. We who were outlaws. So here we refers to the blacks. So we refers to the blacks who were outlaws not so long ago have today been given the rare privilege to be the host to the nations of the world on our own soil. So few days ago what was the scene? Blacks जो है वो outlaws माने जाते थे. अब वही ब्लैक लोग जो हैं उनको क्या प्रिविलेज दिया गया है कि दे आर द होस्ट ऑफ द नेशंस of the world on our own soil. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country. So first of all, Nelson Mandela thanks all the international guests, all the presidents and the prime ministers who have come from various countries and nations to congratulate him. First, he thanked them all to take possession of what is after all a common victory for justice. So this end of racial discrimination is a common victory for justice, peace, for human dignity. Dignity means respect. This is a victory of human respect. हाँ, आप किसी को उसके रंग के बेसिस पे भेदभाव करिए, ये तो बिल्कुल भी सही नहीं है. तो racial discrimination ended and it was the success of justice, peace and human respect. The blacks were not given any respect. Now the scene was different. Everyone was equal. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. So emancipation means freedom. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. So Nelson Mandela says that one goal has been achieved, लेकिन अभी भी और भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जिनको सॉल्व करना है. वन फ्रीडम हैज बीन अचीव, लेकिन अब अभी और भी चीज बाकी है जिससे आजादी मिलना चाहिए. किस किस चीज से? गरीबी से, डिप्राइवेशन से, सफरिंग, जेंडर एंड अदर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. एक डिस्क्रिमिनेशन खत्म हुआ है, रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, लेकिन अभी भी जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, उसको भी खत्म करना है. गरीबी है, भूखमरी है, डिप्राइवेशन, people don't even have the basic things. So Nelson Mandela says that one goal has been achieved, but still there are other goals that have to be achieved. They have to get freedom from poverty, from other discriminations. And Nelson Mandela also promised कि अब ये सिस्टम दोबारा वापस नहीं आएगा. Now this land will not experience the oppression of one by the other. State of not having one's rightful benefits, deprivation. So oppression of one by the other. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. Let freedom reign. Reign here means rule. So what does he say? Now all people are free. Let freedom rule. And this never again this racial discrimination will come back. अब वापस जो है ये discrimination नहीं आने वाला है. And everybody in South Africa is free. Reign means rule. Let freedom rule. So these questions also you have to do in your copy. ये जो बीच वाला question है, oral comprehension check. Where did the ceremonies take place? Where did
Ceremonies took place in a lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union buildings in Pretoria.
Okay. So can you name any public building in India that are made of sandstone?
Red Fort,
Red Fort, yes.
Red Fort,
Yes, Red Fort. Can you say how 10 May is an autumn day in South Africa? Autumn day here means a very pleasant day. How can you say that it is a very pleasant day?
Because it was the day of installation of South Africa's first democratic government.
Yes, very good, Pragya. Because it was the occasion of the installation of South Africa's democratic non-racial government. So at the beginning of his speech, Mandela mentions an extraordinary human disaster. What does he mean by this? What is the human disaster that Africa had been experiencing?
apartheid,
Wait.
Racial discrimination.
Yes, human disaster is the racial discrimination. And what is the glorious achievement? Glorious achievement is the end of apartheid. So glorious achievement, end of apartheid, human disaster, racial discrimination. What does Mandela thank international leaders for? For coming to South Africa and congratulating the people on this special occasion. Coming to South Africa and congratulating the people and the government on this special occasion. For that only he thanks. What ideals does he set for the future? वो क्या क्या कहते हैं कि एक problem and what ideals? He pledged that this is the idea. what ideal?
Con-
Ideal
Continuing
matlab,
bondage of poverty.
yes, ideal matlab आदर्श, ideal, ideal,
Suffering, gender, and other discrimination.
yes. He so he sets up the ideal that he would end poverty and other discriminations in South Africa. Okay, so this just now we read the speech that Nelson Mandela gave on the occasion of his oath taking ceremony. So a few moments later, we all lifted our eyes in awe. Awe means surprise. AWE, awe. It means surprise. As a spectacular means impressive display, beautiful display of South African jets, helicopters, and troop carriers rode in perfect formation over the Union building. After that, uh, in the sky, the South African jets were moving in a very beautiful way. Uh, the South African jets, helicopters, and troops, they were moving in the sky in a very beautiful pattern, in perfect formation over the Union building. They were moving in a perfect pattern. It was not only a display of pinpoint precision and military force. So they were moving in perfect line and it looked very beautiful. Precision means exactness. Precision means exactness. So they were moving exactly in the same line. Everything was very perfect. And military force, but a demonstration of military's loyalty to democracy. So the jets, the helicopters, they were moving in perfect line. What did this indicate? This indicated that this indicated that uh, the military will work with the government. The military will remain loyal. वफादार रहेंगे. मिलिट्री जो है वो हमेशा गवर्नमेंट का साथ देंगे. ये जो जेट्स और हेलीकॉप्टर्स एक परफेक्ट पैटर्न में आसमान में उड़ रहे हैं. व्हाट डज दिस सिग्निफाई? इट सिग्निफाइज दैट द मिलिट्री विल ऑलवेज बी फेथफुल. लॉयल्टी मतलब वफादारी, फेथफुलनेस. लॉयल्टी मीन्स फेथफुलनेस, wafadari. So this indicated that the military will always remain faithful to the government, to the democracy, to a new government that had been freely and fairly elected. Only moments before, the highest generals of South African Defense Force and police. After that, only moments before, the highest generals of South African Defense Force and police, their chests bedecked with ribbons. Bedecked means decorated. After that, many defense officials came, and what was decorating the uniform of the defense officials? Ribbons and medals. So many defense officials came, and their uniform was decorated with ribbons and medals. Bedecked means decorated. So generals of South African Defense Force came, and their chests were decorated with ribbons and medals from the days gone by, saluted me and pledged their loyalty. And all the defense officials, generals, they saluted Nelson Mandela, and they promised that they will always remain faithful to him. I was not unmindful of the fact. I was not unmindful of the fact that not so many years before, they would not have saluted but arrested me. So I was not unmindful, means Nelson Mandela had not forgotten the fact that many years before, what was the scene? यही officials, यही military के generals जो आज नेल्सन मंडेला को सल्यूट कर रहे हैं। कुछ समय पहले यही लोगों ने नेल्सन मंडेला को अरेस्ट भी किया था। These very people, these very officials who are saluting him today, these very generals had arrested him a few days ago, a few months ago, few years ago. So he had not forgotten. So when he was protesting against the white government, then these very generals had arrested him. But today the scene has changed. He has become the president. So now they are saluting him. And some time ago, these generals had arrested him. So he had not forgotten. वो भूले नहीं थे कि यही इन्हीं लोगों ने कुछ साल पहले उनको अरेस्ट भी किया था. But arrested me. Finally, a chevron of Impala jets left a smoke trail of green, black, red, green, blue, and gold of the new South African flag. After that, the Impala jets in the sky, they made a V-shaped pattern in the sky. They made a V-shape, the Impala jets, they made a V-shaped, chevron means V-shaped pattern in the sky with the smoke of black, red, green, and blue. They emitted different colored smoke, black, red, green, blue, and they made a pattern of South African flag in the sky. साउथ अफ्रीकन फ्लैग का पैटर्न जो है वो आसमान में बनाया गया. So the Impala jets emitted different colored smoke and they made a pattern of the new South African flag. Government has changed, so flag has also changed. Red, green, blue, and gold. The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthems. और इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी में दो तरह के नेशनल एंथम को प्ले किया गया. एक व्हाइट्स का नेशनल एंथम और एक ब्लैक का नेशनल एंथम. अभी तक ये था कि साउथ अफ्रीका में सिर्फ व्हाइट्स का एंथम प्ले होता था. But now on this occasion, the anthem of both blacks and whites was played. Vision of the white, two national anthems, and the vision of white singing Kosi Sikelel I Africa. ये जो वर्डिंग है वो व्हाइट के नेशनल एंथम का है. Kosi Sikelel Africa. This is the beginning of the anthem of the white. और ब्लैक्स के नेशनल एंथम का वर्डिंग है